I am Cheemstar. Let's get right into the Cheems. This is Build a Boat. I'm doing part 2 because I don't have any ideas for today. But I did buy fireworks. One of those like little poppet thingies. I bought those. I might light them up in my backyard. This is my super boat that I've been working on since 2017. Poopy head, poopy head. This is the, here, let me give you a tour. Because I don't think any of you have seen my big boat yet. I'm going to give you a tour. Okay, so as you can see, this is the entrance, little TNT shaft. Up here is the chair of life, although I can't get through there. That leads to the outside. That's an eject button. Don't press that. Here's a flying torch for some reason. Let's just get rid of that. Torches are broken for some reason. So I haven't found out why. There's a lamp right here. It's really bright. A little steering wheel. Another eject button. Over here it says, it's supposed to say Mama Gay, but they censored gay. Got chairs. Little pole thingy. Reads up to there. I will show you what's up there. Crap, it's so glitchy. Let's go up into the world. Oh, dang, I fell back down. Right here. This is where the pole leads to. I should probably not go down because I'd fall. This is where the pole leads to. There's another way up there. This is where the chair is. I can't get through that gap though because it's really hard to get through. Right here, it says poopy head, but it's censored because it's literally a killer word. So killer I had to censor it for YouTube. Right here is my nice. I need to get rid of this thing, honestly. All these torches are so broken. This is a cannon place where we throw cannons and stuff. Right in here, it's a little tiny room with chairs, barricaded with glass. And on top of here, so where the king sits, got 2 harpoons. Look at that. I have to fix that. Hold on. I have so much stuff on me. Sheesh. We'll just put one right there, and the other goes here. Now what else do we got? Guess we can add something, but I'm not sure what we can add. We can add a little turf thingy. I'm not sure. I'm just kind of bored. A poopy head. Let's add where the. Well, let's add another room, okay? I want to add another room. How about we I think you guys can agree on this. How about we took out this top segment? Actually, we should take out this top segment. Add another room on top of this. Right here. You see that? Where my mouse is hovering. Let's go with that. We can put. Oh, I'm not sure what we can put. A parrot. Crap. We can put ice down. Yeah, ice. No, not ice. That would suck. I don't want to slip. I don't want to slip and dip. Let's do small marble. Oh, big marble. Big marble. We barely use marble blocks. We only use marble blocks for like the ground, I think. So how do we do this? We can build another room on top of here. We can take out those chairs right there to make like a bigger room. Oh, wait a minute. I have an idea. The best idea ever. Just watch me roll, okay? Watch me freaking roll. Let's add these thingies. I have not placed one of these yet. Then we put chairs on them. Rats, we don't have another chair. You know, if things could change, things could go your way. If you hold on, just one more day. If you oh crap, I glitched. That's not good. I'm just gonna like save this. God, I stutter so much. Unlock this, save. We save Superboat, yes. Save Superboat. It's already loaded. Now we just need to find a good spot to rest in while nothing kills us or damages us. Crap. Well, let's go up here. Let's go inside this room. This room looks safe. Yeah, this room looks very safe. Let's launch the boat. 3, 2, 1, launch this. Dang, there's an octopus level. I hate the octopus levels so much because, like, the what do you call it? The explosions when the tentacles hit you, it's so stupidly dumb. So I got a plan. Cause you know I'm the man. Down here there's an eject button. It won't show me where it is though. Right there, I see the eject button. Oh, one thing is acting weird. Well, let me see stuff. Oh yeah, by the way, school's almost out, so I might be uploading every day during summer, from June 1st until when school goes back in. Even I posted an announcement that school's going back in, so that I'm not going to be uploading much more days. That's why I don't upload that much. Why am I so tired? It's only 7 p.m. Why am I tired? We're only on the gear level. That's a good thing. Because I don't want to get to the octopus just yet. Because octopus tentacles kill you. That's what's scary about them. They kill you. I don't like that. It's scary. Why did they kill me? But Cheems won't die because he's Cheems. Cheems star. Let's get right into the Cheems. Mama. I love how my sign just says Mama. Mama. You should say, something really stupid. I don't know what I put, but it was stupid. Hay bales. I think these are hay bales. Yeah, they're hay bales. Who would have knew? Oh, look at that. A little Wild West. Western themed. Oh, we have a eject. We have a pair of eject. Where are the eject jetpacks? I don't see them. But here are the kunais that are being thrown at me, and then the musical stuff. I hate the musical stuff. As long as we don't hit a tentacle, I think we'd be fine. Actually, I think I should get back a bit farther. I think I should go over to that room with the open chair right now, so that I don't get hit. No, I don't want to go right here. Frick, there's no time. Oh my god. Okay, perfect. We're good. Let's check if there's anything in the way. Ooh, there's a tentacle right in front. Look at this. Freaking mines, dude. One of them explodes you. I really hate when this thing explodes you. It's really stupid. Oh, there goes our ship. It went. The eject button just went weird. See, look, right there. Just killed us. My Cheems head is gone. I'm now exposed. That's just much better. Get the jetpack. Got the jetpack just in case. Here's the Neo land. The octopuses were supposed to kill me for some reason. Ooh, the front has been damaged a bit. Ooh, there was a mine. That was the mine. Holy crap. First time I realized that I think I had poopy pants. First time that I ever experienced a mine in this, I had poopy pants. Ooh, donuts. And ketchup. Mustard. They're farting on me. They're shitting on me. That's weird. Don't shit on me, ketchup and mustard. I just can't wait till my boat catches up. I just want my boat to catch up to the final. Ooh, 3D. Why did this just pop up? Why did a circus just pop up? Is there a new thingy? Is there a movie now? Oh, there's a movie level. I love movies. Oh, it's this level. Hate this level with all my might. This is the worst level I've ever experienced in this game. Worst level ever. Hold on, I can hit the eject button right. Oh crap, we don't have any thrusters though. Bummer. And Bo can't gnaw on these rocks. I got my jetpack on just in case though. A Sonic Tail is back. God. There's the waterfall. I hear the waterfall. That's the waterfall of luck. Why am I speaking like this? I hate speaking in a... Why am I speaking infinitely in a Peter Griffin accent? Why am I speaking in a Peter Griffin accent? That's stupid. Why are we doing this? Yeah, Peter Griffin. Yeah, Peter Griffin here with your daily Harlem Savior video during summer. Only on Cartoon Network. Why am I saying this? This is stupid. Family Guy. 9 p.m. on Fox and 10 p.m. on Adult Swim. Family. Who's JG9473? Nope. Okay, I think I'm safe. I hope I'm safe. If I jump out now and I die, I'm gonna get poopy pants for real, dude. The boat's now going. Let's go. We made it. Yay! We made it. Yes. Fine, Domi. Fine, Domi. Fine, Domi. You can join. This guy's been asking me forever. Here we go. Yeah, bro. That's what I call money. That's one slime block. Alright, that's a lot, and I think I've reached. Alright, well, thank you, bye.